Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Antwiwaa. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, if you are returning, what's up my G? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little different. I put up a question tag on Instagram sometime last week. If you're not following me on Instagram, right here, this is my Instagram, go follow me after the video. But I put up a question tag on Instagram last week asking people who follow me on there what kind of videos they would like to see from me on YouTube, and someone said they wanted to see a what is in my bag video. I'm like, what is that a thing? But yeah, I remember it is a thing because I've watched a few what's in my bag videos on here, and I think most of us really enjoy seeing how people organize their stuff, what people's daily essentials are and stuff like that. So if you want to see what is in my bag, if you're interested in seeing how I organize my work bag or what my work essentials are, or you're just curious and want to know what kind of things I carry in my bag, you want to stick around and watch this video. So of course I dressed for the occasion, wore one of my favorite blazers, but let's not deviate for the main agenda for today, which is what is in my work bag. I carry a lot of things in here. This is what it looks like. I have a black one that I'm currently on this one for this week. It is pretty heavy, also boxy. I think I got it because it was boxy and I could fit my laptop in here. The bag is from Primark. It's kind of suede, but it's not suede, and then it's like leather, but it's not like leather. And I have a lot of things in here, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I have in my bag so you know what it is. First things first, I have my glasses. I always carry my glasses with me. It recently broke, but I was able to replace it. I cannot see from afar, so I need glasses to be able to see. So these are prescribed glasses. Then I carry two pouches in my bag. Every time I buy something that comes with a pouch, I make use of the pouch. So this pouch came with hair bundles that I got, and since I started making weekly vlogs, it's very necessary that I carry my camera with me every single day. And because my camera bag is a bit bulky, I put my camera on my tripod, my other lens and extra batteries in this pouch so that it's able to fit in my bag. Then I have this makeup slash touch up bag, which is from CVL Beauty, and I carry a number of things. I carry my mirror for when I have to touch up. I have my powder. I have some brushes in here. I have a highlighter from Maybelline. I have my foundation in here. I have my brow pencil in here as well. I also carry my got-to-be glue for when I have wigs on and during the day I need to touch up and secure my wig properly or lay my edges. This comes in very handy, so I always have it in my bag when I have a wig on like this. Then there's a pandemic, so I carry hand sanitizer in my bag. I also do carry alcohol. This is also a hand sanitizer. It has a high percentage of alcohol, so I carry this for when I have to spray on stuff. Then I carry a power bank for when my battery goes dead, and this is my external drive. I have my work stuff on here, and I also do have some of my video stuff in here, so when I get the chance and I could quickly edit or do some work, I have my external in my bag and I could just pull it out, connect it to my laptop and do my work. Then I always carry extra nose masks. I have the KN95 one and I have these ones, and I carry these as backup in my bag. My other pouch is this one. I bought some sandals from Z Sandals and it came in this pinkish pouch, and I carry all my cables in here. In the past I just used to dump my cables in my bag, and I realized that it was just so annoying because sometimes they all get tangled up. I feel like my chargers are also going bad really quickly because they all get tangled, and untangling them and everything messes up the charge. So I decided that I was going to make use of this pouch, and I carry all my cables in here. So my laptop charger is in here, my phone charger is in here. I have this Ziploc bag that carries some of my USB cables. I have my extra SD card in here. Then I always carry this fan because it's so hot in a car. Sometimes I don't even bother to make up to work because by the time I leave home to work, I'd have just sweat everything away. So I always carry a fan. Okay, I didn't have to do that. Still in the pandemic theme, I have this MS body shower gel that I carry around. I think it's the travel size MS body shower gel. I have in my bag for when I have to wash my hand. And then this is the MS moisturizing body lotion. And looking at how often we wash our hands these days, like, I don't know about you, but my hands are almost always dry. It's like no moisture is left in your hands. So I use this as a hand moisturizer for when I wash my hands during the day, and these two, perfect. Then I have this last pouch, which is my coin pouch. I use this one to carry my coins, and I also carry safety pins for when I need them. Then I usually carry a book, could be a storybook, novel, sometimes it's a self-help book. So whatever book I'm currently reading or whatever book I want to revisit, I carry in my bag so that when I have to like sit in traffic for a long time, I could grab something to read if I'm not sleeping, because I usually just sleep in traffic. This week I'm carrying Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you are regular on this channel, I've recommended this book before for anybody that's trying to, you know, build new habits and stick to it and just be all around productive. This book is for you. You should definitely check it out. Then we come to journals, notebooks, diaries, whatever you call them. I hoard these things. This time around I'm carrying just 3. I carry this small one for when I have to make quick notes or I don't want to use my note app. I use this one, this bigger one, for when I'm in the office and I want to plan a script for YouTube, or I just have a video idea, or just random ideas that come to me with regards to my YouTube channel or, you know, content creation in general. I put everything in this book, and this one is more like my personal, the things I have to achieve for the month. Sometimes my journal entries go in here because I don't always carry my journal with me. Sometimes I just need like to do like a quick brain dump, happened right in here and all of that. So yeah, these are the 3 main journals I carry in my bag. And of course my good trusty laptop had a cover, but the cover is shattered. It's embarrassing to show it on camera, so I took off the color. I would find a new case for it. I'm looking for something that's, you know, really cool and beautiful. So if you have any suggestions on where I could get a cover for this, do let me know in the comment section and I'll be very grateful. Also, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And okay, let's get back into the video. Then I have this zipper inside the bag. That zipper keeps my tissue, you know, for when I need it. And then I always carry a pad. You never know when you know. So just in case of emergency, I carry a pad. Then I have this front part, and basically I would put a pen in here all the time because I don't want to have to go into my bag to try to find a pen, and I'm the type of person that is usually scribbling things down, so I need to be able to access my pen just like that. So I put it right here in the front, and that is that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. If you want more videos from me, definitely subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this one was a request by someone who follows me on Instagram, and I thought it was a bit odd, but here we are. So let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and I would surely be happy to make them for you. If you're interested in watching any more videos from me, definitely check these ones out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description box so we can connect more on there, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.